Today we're doing an unboxing. Big ass box. Now what's in the box, you ask? I am actually a huge fan and big collector of Loungefly bags. Now I only have, well, this will be my fourth one, but yeah. This one was my very first one ever. My husband bought me this. So this is what I mean, Loungefly. So I'm always gonna have that big metallic label on the side. So this one says Nickelodeon and it's Garfield and it says, what does it say? I never met a lasagna that I didn't like. But yeah, this was my very first one. I think I got this back in like 2019, or he bought it for me, so back in 2019. This is my second one that I bought for my birthday. This is a McDonald's. These are the Fry Kids from the 80s. Well, from the 80s to the 90s. So this one I've been wearing mostly when I go to work, and then my Labubu's on it. And then it has the Fry Kids in the back. So super, and then the McDonald's logo. So this one's super nostalgic. This one was $80 and the Garfield one was, I think the Garfield was $50 because it's a little bit small. This one has to be my favorite one that I've bought. This is the most my recent one. This is Goosebumps. And it also has the Goosebumps label with the Loungefly tag. But this one opens like a book. See that? How cool. And then this is the haunted mask. So this is my favorite episode of Goosebumps. So that's why I had to buy this one, because I was like, this is my favorite episode of Goosebumps. I have to have it. And now that brings me to this one. This one has been like in and out of my cart because I kind of been waiting for the price to drop a little bit. But I had to have it because me and my mom, we watched scary movies when I was little. And this was one of our favorite scary movies to watch. So I was like, I have to have this bag. So let's unbox it. Oh my God. Holy guacamole. So it's the Michael Myers. This is the Halloween Loungefly with the iconic original Halloween logo. See Michael Myers right there. And then look on the handle, there's a knife. That's so cool. I didn't even see that part. But yeah, oh, cool. It even has him when he was a kid. Oh, wow. The very first. Yeah, I had to have this one. And I'm excited. I want to see what the inside looks like. The inside's pretty cool. It just has like, you know, the mask and then this, and it also says the Loungefly on the these parts. And I'm really loving this part. I don't know why. I can't wait to wear this backpack. But yeah, this one, if I had to choose like which one's my favorite so far, it'll have to be a tie between this one and the Goosebumps, because the Goosebumps is just like, that you cannot find, not even on the Loungefly website, you could find that bag. I found that one on Amazon, so yeah, I can't wait. Oh, look, I didn't even see this part. Oh, I don't know. I think